Probably the most popular dish in the anime Food Wars is the main character's peanut butter squid. Yukihira grills the squid over charcoal and then dresses it with peanut butter. It is described to be wildly grotesque with, well, a little more exaggeration. So when I got invited to a potluck with my friends recently, I figured that it would be a million times more interesting looking at people struggle to be courteous compared to receiving compliments on a safe dish like curry chicken. I went online to research and it seems that everyone who has done this literally put squid and peanut butter together, and I argue that everyone, including Yukihira Soma, got it wrong. I believe there is a way to make this combination work. How? Well, let's find out. So first off, we're going to start with some squid. Squids are a little interesting to prepare. First thing is to take out this plastic looking thing in the tube, throw that away. I'm also going to cut off the eyes and the beak. Some people eat those, but I'm not going to use them in my dish today. Rinse everything with water and also remove the ink sac if there's any. Next, I'm going to lay them down like that, roll them slightly towards me, and then I'm going to score them vertically like so. You should end up with something like this. To the squid, I'm going to marinate with some sesame oil, dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. Massage everything really well. This will give seasoning to the squid and also a nice color when you fry them later. Leave that aside for 1 hour. Get your pan really hot, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and then slowly lay your squid down, making sure it stays flat. Press it down with your hand or spatula. I really want an intense char on the surface so that the squid gets a nice smokiness to it. The burnt soy sauce also adds another layer of flavor. When it's done, take it out and then we'll move on to the peanut sauce. Dilute 3 tablespoons of peanut sauce with hot water, mix it and adjust with water until you reach a consistency like this. It might look like it's thickening, but just keep adding water and keep mixing it. The consistency that you're looking for is something like this. It should coat the back of your spoon like so. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and 2 teaspoons of chili oil to spice things up. And then the sauce is done. Spoon your sauce onto the plate however you like, put your squid on top of it, garnish with spring onions and some crushed peanuts. Wipe the plate and then the peanut butter squid is done. Sorry I don't have any footage of exaggerated foodgasms, nor am I gonna make any. This flavor was pretty intense and I had mixed opinions coming from my friends. I personally enjoyed it. I think it's one of those dishes that would be extremely delicious when you have some alcohol. The closest thing I can compare it to is aji or horse mackerel sashimi, although it's not really that similar either. Well, that's all I have for you guys this time. Like the video if you liked it, disliked it if you disliked it, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.